Today, we are releasing a new feature called dynamic pricing. And this dynamic pricing is very useful if the prices you apply to your customers are evolving over time and are fluctuating during a service period. So I'm going to give you a few examples. You are an AI company and the prices for a token are evolving and fluctuating during a billing period based on the cost you have on your side, the server on your side, the different models you're using. You know the prices that are applied to your customers, but this is not a fixed price. It is always evolving during the period. Then dynamic pricing is very useful. That's also the case for fintech. You're a fintech, you are pricing some FX transfers, but the price for your FX transfer depends a lot on the fluctuation of the market rates, for example. Then you can apply a dynamic pricing. It's also the case for communication platforms like Twilio, for example. The cost of the SMS, for example, that you're using on Twilio are fluctuating based on the provider and the day of the month. So there you can also use some dynamic pricing. The price fluctuates over time. So here is how you can achieve that within Lego. So I have here a billable metric, which is the number of tokens used. And inside of my plan, I can edit the plan and I'm going to add a token. And instead of having here a standard pricing, which is like a fixed amount, or tiers like graduated pricing and fixed tiers, then the price can fluctuate over time. So I'm going to use the dynamic pricing. I can define here the filters, and here I'm going to have a dynamic pricing for model A, and I'm going to have a dynamic pricing for model B. I'm going to edit this plan, and I'm going to assign this plan to my customer. So here, I'm assigning the premium plan. I will be defining a subscription ID, and I'm going to send to this customer a fluctuating price. So I'm going to go into my usage. Here you have a price and usage for the tokens fluctuating over time. And the way you can achieve that is by using this new field on Lego's API, which is the precise total amount cents. That's the price you're applying to your usage-based event. So for 10 tokens, in that case, the price would be $12.34. So I'm going to send 10 tokens for that price, and customer is using the model A. I'm going to send that. The event is ingested. I'm going to remove that. I'm going to update that. And here you can see that 10 tokens are costing $12.34. And this is the price for these tokens at that moment. Okay. But if you're using, let's say, tokens at a different time, these can cost only, let's say, $1. So you're sending again 10 tokens, but for $1 because the price is fluctuating over time. So I'm gonna update that, and you can see only $1 is applied to the 10 units. So this is how you can apply dynamic pricing to your events, and the usage is always fluctuating over time. It's not a fixed price all the time.